What's up, YouTubers? It's Johnny Valentine, and second day here on our Solark installation. And we've got a lot going on in here, and then the concrete truck just pulled up here. So this is always a big deal. Yeah, he's got places to be, huh?
Yeah.
So getting the concrete to the job. Uh-oh.
Yeah, they don't shut it down.
This can be.
That never happens. Never.
This is a
Tractor and chain.
Very rammy too. So we'll get these little tractor,
Big one. I'm not screwing around. We get the big one.
Yeah, I'll go. So this concrete driver has a little bit of a toot. Him and the engineer are trying to work things out. Meanwhile, the big tractor's coming. This is why it's great to have a partner. Situations like this arise, and I just get to dip out. Oh, he knows what to do. All right, so let's see if this big green tractor can pull this concrete truck out. This is stressful times for me. Luckily, I can cower inside. All right, so here we go. There's the big boss. Oh yeah. He's got it revved. Come on, baby. Dear Lord, please. Oh. Please, Lord, please, Lord. Yes, sir. Praise the Lord. Woo! Trenching. Wow. Good job, guys. And there they go on up the hill. But we still need concrete. Now he's going right back where he was. He's gonna go down in here, and he's gonna get us mud in the hole. Get that mud in the hole. These guys are awesome. So the concrete is in. Just been wiring my Solark. Here they go again. See how they do. Tractor versus Mack truck. Nice to have a tractor. Sure is nice to have a tractor. Huh?
You know what to do when you ring stuck on your house.
How'd you feel when the concrete truck got stuck?
Deflated.
Deflated? Did you feel like it was your moment to shine?
I was like, can I drive, please? That's how I really felt.
You just wanted to be in control.
I just wanted to be in control. I want to
Of
show
the,
them how to do it.
of the cement
But I
truck or
had
the
that
tractor?
problem. That cement truck.
And the tractor.
You both. That's the same time.
How'd you feel when you saw the concrete truck got stuck?
I was just gonna stand back and let Scott build pressure and handle it. I was gonna stay out of the way.
You did a great job. Anything else you got to say?
Not really.
What'd you think about that?
I really don't want to go back to work. This is so nice under this
Very
pavilion.
nice today.
So nice.
It's 75 degrees.
Breezy.
Oh,
A little breeze
nice.
going.
Little nap.
I just ate too much and I don't want to work now.